Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In Rajna, I'd like to deliver the material entitled The Pros and Contra of Should Islamic Morality and Values Be Taught in ASL or AL Classroom? Yeah, this is a very big question that resonates in my mind since it relates with my background as an English lecturer in Islam University for more than 20 years. Okay, um, the next thing with the production, yeah, English is taught worldwide in many cultural and religious contexts. Yeah. We know that English is not only taught in a particular religion, but a various cultural and religious contexts or belief. Yeah. This raises an important question: should English teaching remains purely secular, focusing only on grammar, vocabulary, and communication skills, or should it also include moral and ethical lessons? Yeah. And then the pros or the pro argument, yeah, there are at least three aspects. The first is cultural relevance. In majority contexts, integrating Islamic values like honesty, kindness, respect, and social justice can make English learning more meaningful. Yeah, it's not only language aspect or linguistic aspect, but also the content piece. Yeah. The second one is character building. The goal is not religious preaching, but character building goes hand in hand with language development. It means go together between character building and language teaching, language development. The third aspect is holistic education. For example, teachers can design speaking activity where students role play moral situation, such as returning a lost wallet or finding. It shows honesty, learning about the character of honesty, yeah, finding the solution of a social conflict using English expression that promote honesty and fairness. Yeah. Okay. And moral education is a core goal in school worldwide, according to Likona 1991. This integration offers clear benefit. Moral education is a core goal in school worldwide, and incorporating or instilling English lesson with Islamic ethics supports the mission to shape responsible, well-balanced, or well-rounded individual. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Lesson can be a mixture of language skill with moral reflection. Yeah, lesson can be a mixture of language skill with moral. For example, analyzing stories about the honesty of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his companion or Sahaba, or writing essays or personal acts of kindness. Such activities strengthen linguistic skills while developing student cultural and religious identity, encouraging positive classroom behavior. Yeah. Okay. But there are other aspects, yeah. On the contrary, a balanced approach is key, yeah. Classroom diversity in diverse classroom, focusing exclusively on one religion, risks excluding students with different belief, yeah. Curriculum overload. Teachers are also limited by time and curriculum demand. Experts recommend emphasizing universal values such as honesty, fairness, empathy, and responsibility that align with Islamic teaching but remain inclusive, yeah. So in a class where there are other religion than Muslim, maybe Christian, Hindu, Buddha, the teacher should encourage to teach what is universal kindness, yeah, like honesty, fairness, empathy, and responsibility, yeah. And the next is professional neutrality. Some editors argue that or debate that language teacher should remain neutral and focus on language objective rather than religious or moral instruction. Yeah, and also it is curriculum overload. Yeah, by using culturally relevant materials and communicative tasks, teachers can integrate moral education into English lesson without sacrificing language goals or classroom inclusivity. Yeah. Okay, as the conclusion and suggestion, both sides offer important consideration. Promoting values can enrich student character, but language classes must also remain inclusive and focus on communication skill. Yeah. My recommendation, teacher can integrate universal values such as respect, honesty, and cooperation, many of which are in line with Islamic morality, without turning the class into a religious lesson, thus balancing moral education with language objective. So by having such kinds of idea, I think uh, we are able to develop, yeah, English teaching, along with Islamic teaching, Islamic morality and values on the content or the material of the teaching. Yeah, so it is in line, it go in hand, and we can develop character of student of today's era. Yeah, okay, I think it's enough for this opportunity. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.